In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep to create notes with a beginner guide to making your first note on Google Keep. To get started, open Google Keep on the device you're using. You can launch the Google Keep app on an Android phone or an iPhone, or you can open the Google Keep website in your browser on a computer. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account so you can access your notes and keep everything synced. Once Google Keep is open, look for the area where you can create a new note. On mobile, you'll usually tap the plus icon or the field that says Take a Note. If you're on the web version, click the box labeled Take a Note. This opens a fresh note where you can start adding your information right away. Next, if you want to make your note easier to recognize later, you can add a title. Just tap or click the title field and type something descriptive, like a shopping list or meeting notes. This part is optional, but it's a helpful habit if you plan to create lots of notes and want to stay organized. After that, move down to the main text area and start typing your note. This is where you can write anything you want to remember or keep track of, whether that's a quick thought, a reminder, a to-do list, or ideas for later. Google Keep is designed to be simple and fast, so you can capture information without a lot of setup. If you'd like, you can also use some of Google Keep's extra features to make your note more useful. You can turn it into a checklist if you want checkboxes for tasks. You can change the background color to help organize your notes visually. You can attach images, add a drawing for handwritten notes or sketches, set a reminder based on time or location, or use labels to group related notes together. These options are all optional, but they can make your notes much easier to manage. When you're finished, save the note by simply leaving it. On mobile, tap the back arrow or close the note. On the web, click Close. Google Keep saves your note automatically, so you don't have to worry about finding a save button or losing your work. Once you exit the note, you'll return to the main screen where your new note will appear in your list of notes. And one final tip, Google Keep automatically saves every change you make, which makes it a great tool for quick, stress-free note-taking.